Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Hello and welcome to our channel. I am Dee with D&D Gardening, and today is Friday, January 10th at 11 a.m. and I am out in our garden. I am out here to show you what I have done in preparation for what you're seeing behind me, the little ice storm for Texas, or our little portion of Texas. So I'm going to take you off of the tripod and I'm going to walk you around my garden and show you what I've done, and then I'll put you back on the tripod. So hang on for a second. Okay, first things first, my onion bed, where my little kitty, you can see the indention where she was laying, but the onion bed is covered with everything is covered in row cover, but I forgot to put plastic on top of the onion bed. But so far it looks like it's doing okay, so I'm just going to roll with it. This bed is the bed that has my collards, the broccoli that I discovered, and I think it has one cabbage in it, and of course my carrots down there on the end. But it's all covered in row cover with plastic on top, and I got that idea excuse me, got that idea from Lisa over at Gardening with Lisa to put plastic on top of the row cover. I didn't get the right kind of plastic, but it is still keeping it dry, which is what I wanted. It is keeping the moisture from getting onto the row cover, thus keeping the plants dry and also excuse me, holding in some of the heat. So as you can see, there's a little snow buildup well, I'm not going to call it snow, it's ice buildup right there. And as we walk out here where I had my grow bags and containers, that container is that grow bag right there is empty, but my onion sets seem to be doing fairly well. So I decided to leave those out. That grow bag has a couple of carrots in it. I left that out. And those are my potatoes. The Dutch yellow potatoes. As you can see, the greenery's dead. So I don't know if my potatoes on the inside are dead as well. I don't know. I really hope not. But there's a good chance that they are. As you know, this this raised bed doesn't have anything in it. This is the bed that I am most worried about. I know that the carrots can survive cold temperatures because if you overwinter them, the cold temperatures turn the starch into sugar, which makes the carrots more sweeter. That's not correct English. It makes the carrots sweeter. But I am most worried about this bed because this bed has my cabbages in it, and I don't want to lose my cabbage. But it is covered with row cover and plastic. I do have carrot seedlings in the house that I have already started in the event of me losing some, but I will be heartbroken if I do. Now, I did have 2 eggplant plants in there. Of course, I lost those. And I pulled those up because they started to give off a stench. And I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, but the stench started attracting insects. So I pulled it out and I put them in the compost. And this eggplant that was in my grow bag that was the one that I got the 4 eggplants off of. It's dead. But I haven't pulled it up yet because I had it covered, thinking that I could possibly save it, but of course not. It's just too cold. And as you can see, the leaves it's dead. It's just dead. I don't smell what I smelled from those other 2, but I know when weather permits, I will have to throw that away as well. In this little container, these are my turnips, my purple top white globe turnips, and they are under the pergola. And in here are my onions, my onion starts, and they seem to be doing well. Now, the grow bags that I had in my container area, I moved into my little greenhouse. And I put my dill in there, and bless its heart, I don't think it's going to make it. But I also have my green onion in there, and the carrots that were in the grow bags, I have those in there. I could have left them out, but I didn't. And on this side, I have my one leek, and he looks like he is just having a ball in there. My basil is on its last leg. There's another side of the green onion. Here are more of my carrots that's in the grow bag. And I don't know, can you see? Well, you can see, oh my God, my phone. I'm just going to ignore, let me stop it. I swear, spam calls me more than anybody. Okay. Continuing on, I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can put it right up on it. But do you see those little orange tops? Those are the carrots poking through. Isn't that awesome? I know! So I'm so excited. And then on the bottom, I have more carrots. So I'm going to see if my husband can put the potatoes either in there on the bottom shelf, or if we can move them to the garage and see if I can save whatever I've got in there. Maybe put them on the bottom shelf. We're going to work it out some kind of way. But that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you what I did in preparation for this little ice storm of 2025 for Texas in my zone 8B. So, if this is your first time or your 5th time watching one of our videos, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you have not. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos. Always remember, and don't forget to always remember, grow your own, eat your own, and stay warm out there. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.